What is this? It's a pendant. What is this? It's a pendant. It's a pendant. Who is he? He is my neighbor. Who is he? He is my neighbor. Why is the sky dark? It's going to rain. Why is the sky dark? It's going to rain. Whose turn is it? It's my turn. Whose turn is it? It's my turn. When will it end? It will end soon. What will it end? It will end soon. Is that true? It's just a rumor. Rumor means afwah. Is that true? Are you okay? I am fine. Are you okay? I am fine. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Tired means thaka hua. Do you like to cook? It's so hard to do. Do you like to cook? It's so hard to do. What's the matter? Matter means mamla. I need some money. What's the matter? I need some money. Do you like snowman? Yes, I do. Do you like snowman? Yes, I do. Where is your house? It's near the park. Where is your house? It's near the park. Did you take your medicine? Yes, I took medicine. Did you take your medicine? Yes, I took medicine. Do you sell books? No, I sell medicines. Do you sell books? No, I sell medicines. What does your mom do? My mom is a homemaker. What does your mom do? My mom is a homemaker. Where are you going? I am going for a walk. Where are you going? I am going for a walk. Whose book is this? This is my book. Whose book is this? This is my book. What are you doing? I am doing my homework. What are you doing? I am doing my homework. What do you like? I like to listen music. What do you like? I like to listen music. What do you do? I work in the bank. I work in the bank. What do you do? Do you need any help? Yes, please help. Do you need any help? Yes, please help. Help meaning madad karna. Whose is the fellow? He's my brother. Whose is the fellow? Who? Kaun? What brings you here? I am here to meet you. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. What were you doing there? I was buying fruit. What were you doing there? I was buying fruits. Buying kharidna. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. Can you hear me? Yes, I can. What are you doing here? I am here for buying fish. What are you doing here? I am here for buying fish. Why are you sad? I got bad marks in exam. Why are you so sad? I am got bad marks in exam. What do you do? I ate cake. What do you do? I eat cake. I eat cake. What do you want to do? I want to play computer games. What do you want to do? I want to play computer games. What is this? This is a doll. This is a doll. Thank you.